and like the dessert one is
When in Roma.
Shawty, take my hand, do you wanna go now? Turn it up, cause we never turn it down. I take you there, take you there, take you there, yeah. Where you wanna go, doesn't even care, yeah, yeah. Rainbow road racing in a purple drop top. Shawty next to me, and we smoking from the gas, yeah. All of things like, ooh, yeah. She got a shoulder like, ooh, yeah. Walk on my face, please don't stop. Turning my chick, you don't call. Watch it rain and fall from the clouds. Mix it with
Oh, the earpieces?
Watch the rain and fall from the clouds. It doesn't even matter.
So this is just like a street walk today. I like this. So. Walking cool. I don't scream. Ever. Yum yum style. Yeah.
Rainbow road, it's like Victoria, I'm speeding up. You don't know where we go to the top. Skirt to break, never break. It is fate, never fake, no, yeah.
Guys, you could have been cuter than that. Alright.
Shawty, take my hand, do you wanna go now? Turn it up, cause we never turn it down. I take you there, take you there, take you there, yeah. Where we wanna go, doesn't even care, yeah, yeah.
You make us smile. We on to you, player. He's over it. It's a video. I thought you was trying to make him smile. This is so gorgeous. Yeah, this is called the Pantheon. I'm not sure.
So you don't understand what I'm saying though? Like I say it in Italian. Do you want to hear a joke?
I'm like, huh? I don't know. It's raining, but we're having a good time so far. We saw what did we see? The Trevi Fountain.
This is the
Pantheon and just some other statuesque stuff.
You know, it's raining out here.
Girl, I know you want it.
So basically, they had us touring because that's how they get you to curb your jet lag. So we're in the Pantheon right now. It used to be a Greek something or another, and now it's a Roman Catholic temple, I think it serves as. And like, it's very, very cool. That's what I was just showing y'all. But yeah, I just want to explain why it's been 24 hours and we're still in the same outfits and all this kind of stuff. It's basically like you get off the plane no matter what time zone we flew into. We landed at 12 noon, got on another plane. It was a 2-hour ride, and then when we got off, it was like 2 in the afternoon when we checked into the hotel. I showed you that. And then we've been touring ever since, straight off the rip, because they don't want you to fall into your old schedule. Like back home, it's like 6 hours behind. So right now, like at dinner, we go to dinner at 6 or 7, and like that'll be noon or 1, you know, in Hampton or on the East Coast. So they don't let us like sleep because then we'll be completely off for the next day. So we're walking around and we're about to go to dinner, and then yeah, that's it. I'm probably gonna pass out.
Yeah, baby, come through. Hardy, wasabi. She got that nani tsunami. You know she follow me on that Insta G. She want my Insta D. Then she swallow. Smoke this marijuana. Girl, you know Mary. I said it's Halloween.
Don't rush for a second. Just so dinner is not until what time? 7.
No, we leave it. It is not till 7.
What time is it? Yeah, not till 7.
Not till like 6.
Dinner is not till 6, and we're here at Cafe Rio. I'm just kidding. What is this place called? I don't know. I'll try to show you on the way out.
This one just looks so like.
But it's super cute.
I know
It's just us in here.
Excited.
And we about to get some, what is it? Gin and lemon. And some bruschetta.
Bruschetta. Girl, you got the skin.
It's crazy.
Bruschetta.
It's not trying to stand up to that.
Bruschetta, there we go.
Yep.
You know. Oh yeah, nice. You know. Three Musketeers. Three Muskets. Oh, okay.
Thank you, player.
Thank you. Gin and lemon.
The straws.
Oh, straight. Gin and lemon. That's what I know.
You got like a long island?
Yeah. Is it good? Pretty good, actually.
Oh, I remember that. Oh no! What that is though? Is that they said we having lasagna. It's the starter. It got it.
This is the episode?
It might not be.
Okay, thank you. Oh, okay. What is eggplant?
See, nobody right here. Can we all take a bite together?
Yeah, on three.
She told me lasagna. Is this lasagna? That's what I'm saying. That's what she said.
This must be appetizer.
That's what I'm like.
Wait, this is extra? Yeah. That's three glasses.
I love Italy. Oh! Shut us up. Thank you, sis. And there we go. We thought we weren't in. It's vegetable lasagna. You gave
I'm down in Toronto. Yeah, baby, come through. Hottie, wasabi. She got that nani tsunami. You know she follow me on that Insta.